Taas ang kamay. Tandaan ninyo ha, pag-isipan nyo maigi. This is it. Taas ang kamay na gustong 7 to 4. Sige lang. Okay. Oh. Bigyan naman natin ng chance yung bandang Wakali. Taas ang kamay ng gusto 8 to 5. Ang tawag dyan, ayan ang resulta nung nakaraang halalan. Mudslide. We are 7. Remember, it is your will, it is your request, it is your voice. Now you have a city government who listens to you. Okay? So 7 to 4. Hoy, mga department at saka bureau, walang 7 to 4 sa akin. Broken hours po kami. Totoo lang. Siguro nakaka-30 hours pa lang ako na total na tulog since Monday. But that's the least of your problem. So, 7 to 4. We're okay? Yeah! I love you. Meeting ko ha. Huwag kayong mahihiyang magpa-promote kasi wala kayong kakilala. Please. Huwag. If you feel that you deserve it and you're due and it is merit, you have a city government who can see these things. Okay? Maliwanag ba? Yes. Oh, that's it for today. Mag-iingat kayo. Kailangan ko kayo. Again, I alone cannot do this on my own. Every one of you. We have to come together. That includes our people. Because together, we can make Manila great again. Magandang araw. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila! God bless. Thank you.